Hello everyone, I'm so excited to introduce to you our new line of nutritional bread. Look at the colors. You may be wondering, what's in these bread? Did we use dyes or not? These are natural, healthy, nutritional bread. Let's take them one by one. This one is Moringa bread. You all know about Moringa, the miracle tree. Moringa has so many different health benefits. One of them is good for diabetes. Studies have shown that the Moringa could stabilize the blood sugar. There are so many other health benefits just using the Moringa leaves. And then this one is made from hibiscus and beets. If you know me well, I love hibiscus and beets because they lower blood pressure. So this is great for cardiovascular health, these ingredients. And then this one, the super bread made from super spirulina and spinach. Oh, amazing. This has all these vitamins and phytonutrients that you need for good health. Oh, and this beautiful yellow bread, you already guessed it, is made from turmeric and ginger. And then we have all of these seeds that bring on the delicious omega-3 fatty acids. So if you love bread, then the best bread to have would be the bread from FoodAMed. Whether you're going with the turmeric and the ginger bread, that's going to help with building the immunity and other health benefits, or you're going with the spirulina-spinach, delicious bread, so many health benefits, or you're going to go with this beautiful pink reddish bread made from beets and hibiscus. Oh, and then this brown bread made from moringa. All these breads have various nutritional benefits. Call us now and order one of these delicious nutritional bread. If you're not in the Rio Grande Valley, no problem. Call us at 956-731-4484 and we can mail your nutritional bread to you.